Yes, so this is a bag made from wooden beads that we shall be learning today. It's a nice bag, and it can be used for going to town or to the market. Yes, so good evening, friends. Thank you for tuning in to Miss Handcrafts Uganda. Uh, we are learning a bag, and we use wooden beads. I chose colors for the bag to look nice. Then I'll use these small ones with these big ones. Then I'll use this frame. Basically, this kind of bag is like a dress, so we make something to dress this frame. So this is size 20, and join in as we learn. Yeah, so I have twine here, the thread. I will put 6 beads on one side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the 6th one, I come from the front. I intertwine it. Then I make this equal, the threads equal, and pull. Okay, so you see I have this circle. So this is the time to include the big beads. I'll be doing randomly. So I'll put one big on the left, one big on the right, then I put a small bead on the left, a small bead on the right, and intertwine through a big bead here and here. Okay, and pull. So you see what I have now. So I'll put on again a small bead on the left, one on the right, and I put one big on the left, one big on the right, intertwine through a small bead. So after intertwining through the small bead, here it is. So we are going to make this circle, and I need 2 beads on the left, 2 beads on the left, 2 beads on the right, and we intertwine us through a small one. Okay, so you see we have a circle here. So actually, when you put on our bag, yes, you see. So we are going to repeat this process till we go around, till we make something that we can dress around. So you see I have this. So can I try it on our bag? So what I'll do, I'll put this thread through this round here. We intertwine through this one. So you see we have a circle. Okay, so this is what we dress here. So it should not be so loose. So you see I'm struggling a bit to dress it, so you can see, yeah, here. So from here I'm going to add on. So I'll take this thread here and here, through here, through here, yeah. So you see this is like our beginning point. So what we can do here, okay, so the simple logic of this bag is that in between every circle there must be a bead. That's why I'm putting the thread here, so that I do what? I put a bead. And here we will have to begin with a small bead. This second level is a bit tricky, but if you watch it will be easy. So we are going to do a small bead, small. So anyway, all these circles are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it means now the thread is in between two beads, this black one and this one. It means I need 4 beads to make them 6. So when I start with a small, I'll add a big one, those are 2. I add a small, those are 3. Then, as I said earlier, in between here there must be a bead. I add a big one, and intertwine to make them 4. So you see, this is how I've begun a second level. So I'll go through a small one and a big one. Through one small and one big, and we make it tight. So you see now our thread is in between 1, 2, 3, through the yellow, the one black and one blue. So it means I need 3 beads to make them 6, which means I'll put a small, a big, and a small one, and intertwine through. So you see, we will go through 2 now. I'll go through one small and another small. So remember, we have to make a small circle here. So it means these are 3, and remember our circles are 6. So it means I'll need 3 small beads to make 6. 1, 2, 3. Then I intertwine through the last added small bead. So you see, I have a small circle. Okay, so let's learn how to add on. How to add on another thread, because what we have is short. So how do we add on? You see, we already have our short thread here, and we're supposed to take it through one big and one small. Okay, so it means the thread we have cut will go through exactly the same place. So we'll take it through one small here, one big. Forgive me about the noise. We're in a factory setting where cars move so much. So we pull this and make it equal here. Okay, then I'll continue normally. So I have one big, one small, and one big, and get my thread and go through. Okay, so this one, which I'm no longer using, I pass it through these beads just randomly, so I can decide to go through this. Let's see. So I'll take it through till it is small. Then even this other one, I take it back. So I'm supposed to pass this thread through beads till it becomes so small. There I'll be sure that the bag is actually, these short threads help the bag to be strong also. Okay, let me leave it at that as I continue. Okay, okay, so now I'm going through this small one through one big. One small and one big. So here we are in between 3 beads, 1, 2, 3. So it means here, since we are always making a circle, we shall begin with a small one, small, big, and small, and we intertwine through this last added bead. Intertwining is like this. Okay, So we shall make again a circle. So again, we are going to make a circle here. We put three small ones. 1, 2. So these small beads are so slippery, and intertwine through. Intertwine through. Intertwine through. Then, so it means here we shall go through one big, one small. So if you can see the sequence, there is where we put small, big, small. Then in another place we put big, small, big. So like here, we already have 2 circles. It means that put big, small, and big. Big, small, and big. Okay. Most of this bag, it is easier to watch and pull. Okay. So now we repeat the same process through a small and a big. So let's dress our bag so that we see our progress. So you see we are progressing, so we shall repeat the process till we dress it up here. So continue around, moving around. So here is our finished bag. So I'll get a needle and thread and sew through here just to attach this to the frame. Yeah, but this is a very durable bag, yeah, that you can carry as you move around town if you have few things to buy. And some people can carry it to church. Yeah, and as we know, many colors now are on vogue. Yeah.